It provides goodness, opportunities in our life. If at all you want to know more information about your birth chart, if at all you want to know where exactly your natal Jupiter is sitting in your birth chart, you need to book for the consultation so that I can provide 2 to 3 years of my time, and I can provide you the analysis, and you can keep that report for next 1 year, and you can keep referring to that report on different events that might occur in your life. Astrology is just everything, and the most benefic planet like Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn from Sagittarius is a really good sign for learning and also to get that positive energy in our lives. All right, so see you in the consultation. Book the consultation from the link mentioned in the description section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be sharing loads of information to you so that you can able to learn astrology on your own. All right, so see you in the consultation. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, for Cancer zodiac sign, the debilitated Jupiter moves through the seventh house for your zodiac sign. The seventh house is about confirmed relationship like life partner and business partner and day-to-day activity. Debilitated Jupiter moves in opposition to your sign. Debilitated Jupiter has aspect over the third and 11th house. Viewing this, you need to keep communication alive with the persons who matters for you to enhance your prospects. Aspect over the 11th house works well to benefit monetarily. So from the career front, this movement of two major planets does not spell well for career-oriented and business persons. Some constraint holds business persons from delivering goods, material timely. Business persons need to remain aware about ground reality and plan things accordingly. Career oriented finds it challenging to give targeted output. Your career building process is a long shot. So if at all you need more guidance on career front and business front, please book for Jupiter Transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section, so that once I get an order, I can able to provide you complete analysis about your career and business. With regards to finances, you need to have effective check on unwarranted expenses to remain in comfortable position on financial front. Inflow of money is maintained. No major financial gain is foreseen for you here. You will be able to manage routine and incidental expenses comfortably. Look for ways to save money for future needs. Get your financial prediction and solve your money problems. Your wealth can be increased with proper wealth prediction and best remedies. Please book for the Jupiter Transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section, so that I can able to provide complete guidance about your finances from the Jupiter Transit. In regards to health, common cold and cough concerns you here. Besides digestion related issue bothers you, avoid late night heavy dinner to keep digestive system in order. Indulging in some light exercise suitable to you in morning regularly to remain fit for the day. From the personal life perspective, viewing movement of major planets may be unhappy with some unhappiness happens to you. Shake off negative vibes and try to get involved in some creative things suitable to you. This kind of activity relieves you from stress tension, and you remain calm and cheerful. For more information on your personal life, please book for Jupiter Transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section. I can able to provide you complete analysis about your Jupiter Transit for Cancer zodiac sign. Thank you.